Round 3 of being on hold with Wow.
I don't want to talk about it.
How does this make you feel? Oh my god. That looked evil. It's okay. Nothing, no sexy time won't fix.
Sounds like it's from Lord of the Rings now.
Go, 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 Power Ranger. Do, do, do.
No. Okay.
You could probably have a nap waiting. Looks like you're gonna stick it up your nose.
It's some sleepy music.
Take your nap. Just when you hear them talk. Ding. 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 I'll poke your head too. Poke, poke, poke. Poke, 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 poke your face.
So, this is what Blizzard customer service is like.
Shit.
Mm-hmm.
Hey man, there are so many funny guys on the
Is this Steven on the gate 411?
What do you mean? You know the word zoom in thing?
Yeah. Can't really. Oh, well. It's making weird lines in the screen.
A and B don't look the same. What?
A and B?
B, D, and W all look the same? I just want to change my secret question. Uh-oh.
Can you click on that?
What is it? A hairy chest? Okay. Yeah. Steven's showing me nasty hairy pee-pees. I don't want to put the camera there. Just camera stock, yeah. Okay. Steven's such a whore, he thinks he could pick himself up. Observe. It's because he's the only one who can get himself. I mean, hi.
Another 10 minutes yet.
Yeah. I keep stopping them around almost 5.
This is gonna put it up to 10. We have to kill the goof troop.
Yes, we have to kill the goof troop. By the way, on top of those doves, see, that's goof troop number 1. And the hot pink pants is Adina, aka Serge. That's a little weird thing Steven made, so is that one.
Dragon.
The big fat one in the green and blue is Tony. We gotta kill them.
Just get yourself saying that.
Hey?
Get yourself saying that.
No, I don't have makeup on.
No, no, makeup on. Imagine how I look.
You look like Steven. Ah. Oh, okay. We have to stop and go to round 4.